Welcome everyone. Myself Ashish Venkatesh Prabhugaonkar, Assistant Professor at DCT's Dhempe College of Arts and Science. This module is for program Bachelor of Science, subject Botany, semester 5, course code BOC 105. Course title is Classical Taxonomy and Phylogeny. Title of this unit is Unit 2, Systematic Position according to Bentham and Hooker's classification, diagnostic features of a family, important ornamental, economical and medicinal species of different families. In this module, we are going to look at family Brassicaceae. In this module, we are going to look at systematic position of family Brassicaceae, diagnostic features of family Brassicaceae and important plants in family Brassicaceae. At the end of this module, we should be able to classify family Brassicaceae according to Bentham and Hooker's classification, explain about diagnostic features found in family Brassicaceae. We should be able to list important ornamental plants and other economical plants in family Brassicaceae. Family Brassicaceae is commonly known as mustard family. Earlier this family was known as Cruciferae. Class, it belongs to class Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae. Flowers are hypogynous, ovary superior. Order Parietals, characterized by parietal placentation in the ovary. Family Brassicaceae has about 380 genera and 3000 species. A huge number of genera and species can be found. The species are distributed mostly in the temperate zone of the world, in the temperate regions, also in the Mediterranean regions. In India, the family is represented by 51 genera and 138 species. Most of these are distributed in Himalayan region and more colder regions. Many are also found in tropical regions also. Diagnostic characters of this family, they are annual, biennial, some are annual herbs, some are biennial and some are perennial herbs with watery sap. So most of them are herbaceous. Leaves are exstipulate, they don't have stipules, they are simple, they are having entire margin mostly, but sometimes they have wavy margin, and then they are called as lyrate. This is the first, and the first picture shows the lyrate leaf, wherein the margins are incurved and show this wavy margin. Flowers bisexual, they are actinomorphic, they are found in racemes. Sepals are 4, 2 plus 2 arrangement. Petals are 4, and one of the important characters of this family is the petals are placed diagonally in the form of cross, that is called cruciform corolla. You can see in this picture, the 4 petals are arranged diagonally, 2 opposite to each other, to form a plus kind of structure. This kind of arrangement of corolla is called cruciform corolla, which is one of the diagnostic features of family Brassicaceae, which was earlier also known as Cruciferae. Stamens are usually 6. They are found in 2 groups. 2 are shorter and 4 are longer. This particular arrangement of stamen is known as tetradynamous arrangement of stamen. Carpels are 2 in ovary. They are united in superior one-chambered ovary. The placentation is parietal. Often the placenta will extend to form rapulum, a false septa in the ovary. Fruits usually are known as siliqua or silicula based on the length of the fruit. General characters of the family Brassicaceae: Members of this family are mostly mesophytes. They are terrestrial plants. They are primarily herbaceous plants. Herbs are mostly annual, perennial. Rarely the herbs are biennials. Root system is taproot system, as it can be seen in class Dicotyledons. The Raphanus sativus, the fleshy roots are edible. Many of the wild members also have fleshy roots which help them to survive in temperate regions of the world. With the help of this fleshy roots, the plants survive in winter and they have perennial or biennial nature of growth. Stem is usually soft, slender, covered with branch, stellate or unicellular hairs. These plants are often known to contain pungent and smelling watery juice. Most of the herbs they have protection from herbivores, so pungent and smelling juice along with the hairs, stellate hairs, help to protect the plants from, especially herbs, from the grazing animals. Leaves are simple, entire. Leaves can also be pinnate. They can be pinnatified or pinnatisect. They can be also lyrate, what we have seen. So, a large diversity of leaf morphology can be seen, as a large number of species, 3000 species can be found in this family. Leaves may be cauline or radical. Cauline leaf are the leaves which are like petiole. The lamina is directly attached to the stem. Radical leaves, when leaves are attached directly to the underground rhizomes or root-like structure, as can be seen in the radish. This particular feature helps them to survive in temperate or very cold regions. Cauline leaves are generally alternate, rarely they have opposite arrangement. Floral characters, inflorescence, it is usually racemose or corymb type inflorescence. It may be simple or sometime branch. The inflorescence may be sometime branched, forming corymb. The corymb inflorescence, the bracts and the bracteoles are usually suppressed or they are not present. The flowers are complete, hermaphrodite, cruciform. They are actinomorphic. Sometimes, very rarely, they are zygomorphic. Flowers are tetramerous and hypogynous. The calyx consists of 4 sepals which are free and imbricate in aestivation. The 2 outer lateral sepals are often larger and saccate at the base, whereas the inner sepals are usually slimmer. Corolla consists of 4 distinct diagonally placed petals. Petals are usually long and cloud, that is a flag-like apparatus at the tip, and the basal portion is narrow, which is kind of attachment for the enlarged portion of the petal. So, this particular feature of corolla is called cloud petal. They are present in cruciform arrangement. Androecium, stamens are 6 in number, which are tetradynamous. The filament of the 2 inner pairs of the stamen is usually connate, means they are fused together. So, lyrate leaves, the cruciform corolla, tetradynamous stamens can be seen in these pictures. Also, the silicula, the arrangement of the fruit in the form of silicula with the raflum, the false septum in between the pods. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous, ovary is superior. Ovary has 2 parietal placentae with one or many ovules. They have false septum extending from one parietal placenta to the other, which divides the cavity of the ovary into the 2 locules. The false septum can be called as raflum when the fruit, when it matures. Style is simple or absent. Stigma 2-lobed or discoid. Pollination. The members of the family are both self-pollinated and insect-pollinated. As the flowers are small, they attract small insects for pollination. The fruit in this family is a pod which dehisces by forming two valves. The fruit breaks away from below to upward. The seeds remain attached to the persistent placentae. If the pod is cylindrical, it is known as siliqua, which is found in Brassica species. If pod is short and broad, it is called as silicula, which is found in Alyssum species. The fruit of this family in this manner is used as important taxonomic character in systematic studies of this family. Important plants in family Brassicaceae. Genus Brassica is known as vegetable family or vegetable genus. Brassica rapa is turnip. Brassica nigra is mustard. Brassica juncea is also mustard. Various kind of mustards are used to extract oil to make mustard paste, which is used in cooking. So various species of mustards are grown in various parts of the, especially in India, northern India, they are very much popular. Brassica campestris is the mustard. The black mustard is Brassica nigra. Brassica oleracea is also another amazing genus as known for various vegetables. Due to human selection in cultivation, various cultivars of this in this species Brassica oleracea are being cultivated. Brassica gongyloides is nullcole, what is known as nab in Goa. Brassica oleracea, cultivar capitata is cabbage. Cultivar gemifera is Brussels sprouts. Cultivar botrytis is what we use, the flowers are used as a cauliflower. So amazing diversity of various cultivar in single species Brassica oleracea. Raphanus sativus is reddish. Genus has some of the ornamental plants also. Cheiranthus cherry, Iberis amara, Alyssum are some of the ornamental plants in this family. Important medicinal plants of this family, Cheiranthus cherry is known as wallflower, mostly in the temperate regions. Then it is used traditionally as a medicinal plant for treatment of deafness, wisdom tooth, etc. in the temperate regions of the world where it grows in as a wild plant. Mustard oil is used as a base in hair oils and various other nutraceuticals. The glucosinolates is a compound found in this vegetables of this family, which is known, which is prospected as an anti-cancer potential. These vegetables also show kind of antibiotic-like action in the intestine, which is a kind of beneficial action of eating these vegetables. These are references for this module. Thank you.